Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a SIM card at the iPhone XS Max. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. It is in between these documents here. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side here the SIM tray, and there's also a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or with the edge of the paper clip you go into the small hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, place the SIM card here like this. So it has to look like that. So the contacts are on the top, and like this you would put it back into the phone. And that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Hope you pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.